Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good morning to you all. I hope you're all well at home. So a slightly different review video today, as we won't actually be reviewing coins in this video, but we will be reviewing something that will hopefully make the coin experience on the channel somewhat better indeed. So what is it then? It is a digital microscope. The make of the microscope is a ANDONSTAR, and the link to this specific microscope will be in the description below. There should hopefully be two videos on the screen now, one unboxing and one of them with me putting them on the side in order in live time, just so you can see them really, everything getting out of the box. We will put it together in a moment's time. We're going to get some coins underneath it as well. We're going to see a little bit of how this is going to work, and again, we will definitely use this in plenty of videos on the channel, the close-up coins, to get closer pictures. And this actual specific one does record as well and take pictures, and you will be able to hook it up to the computer, get them that way. Can't wait to get editing, and I really do think this is going to be a great concept to the channel. Again, a huge shout out to ANDONSTAR for sending this in, and again, a link is in the description below. Also, we are actually going to attempt to do a quick £10 of 50p coin hunt as well in this video, just to see how it works. We're going to quickly see as well how good the recording is. Obviously, you're going to be looking at it through my phone onto a monitor, so it isn't going to be really as good as what the proof in the pudding will be on the main screen, as again, when you do try and video maybe your telly, for instance, you never get as good a quality through your phone. So again, you can hook this up. It is just a trial and error video. We're just going to see really what the basic functions are in this video, but again, you'll be seeing more of it over the course of weeks, months, and hopefully years. So here it is then, fully made. It looks beautiful. It looks a good quality screen indeed, as you see the 2014 snowman and the snow dog taking full picture there in the middle. Really nice design. We're going to get onto the buttons on the screen as well in a moment's time, but again, just looking from the screen, it really does look a nice high quality product. Again, we will be able to take pictures as well and look at them in a second's time, and also videos, and we will try and get a coin hunt on this and get it played back. I will plug it into the computer as well, get one of the videos downloaded and just see what the final quality will be on YouTube. Again, it is going to be amazing for looking at these coins in close, and again, if I can record on here, get them uploaded, maybe have to do a voiceover. I don't think it does actually record sounds, but again, that really isn't a problem, and I really do think it is an amazing product to be working with. Again, it isn't just for coins, this product. I'm sure plenty of other people will be using them to zoom in on many different things, and again, for coins, it's definitely going to be up our street. Whether we're trying to point out errors on coins, looking for misprints, maybe looking for fakes, I really do think it will be the perfect device needed really to get us in the right direction that way. Just testing the recording, and it does look like it is recording nicely. Just move it around a little bit there. 10-second recording, and again, it really is really simple to use, and I can't wait to get stuck into it properly. The good thing about this product, actually, it did come with a 32GB memory stick as well, so there was no messing around with that. It did come with a remote control as well. Unfortunately, no batteries. Could be a little bit of a downside if I was being a little bit picky. Apologies just for messing around a little bit here, just seeing what the actual picture size was, and it is a good picture size there, so I do think it will be optimum quality as well once we do get this on the computer and downloaded. We will do a quick coin hunt though. I will quickly pause it, get the coins ready, and then we'll do a quick coin hunt and see if we can find any and see what the quality is like. So here we go then, a quick £10 underneath the microscope. Definitely going to be close in, and again, the quality of this is going to be better than what you actually see, as again, I'm recording through my phone onto a screen, and it never really is as good as what I am seeing from not looking through the camera. Again, the lighting and everything will be a lot better if you got it set up in a better place. I have the lighting perfect for just my phone, so again, there will be quite a lot of work to be done just to get the perfect lighting as we find a Sherlock Holmes. Again, with the actual camera itself, it is on a stand. You can move it up or down. And to get the focus, just like I am doing now, it really is simple. up or down, and then there's another one where you just twist it left and right until you find the perfect focus. Really cannot get any easier than that. It took me around 5 minutes to build it up, and I am definitely no professional when it comes to building things. A couple of screws that were a little bit fiddly, but again, definitely shouldn't take you any more than 10 minutes to put this product together. I am just going to have a quick mess around though with the settings. A huge shout out if you are still here, and again, a link to this product will be in the description below. It does look like it does play back though, even on that little coin hunt that we did there, just for a quick minute. And again, if I can get this set up really nicely, just like the quality of my phone, the sounding as well, just get it all going perfectly, I really do think this could be a great addition to the channel indeed. Again, a huge shout out to ANDONSTAR for sending this in. They did just actually send me an email asking me if I wanted to review the product. Always a little bit wary when things like that happen, but I'm so glad that I went with it. And again, another huge shout out to them. The screen then is off, but again, you could see on the playback there, times 2, 4 and 8 if you wanted to fast forward and rewind your video. A really nice product, and I can't wait really to get using it properly on the channel. Again, any questions, queries, please do let me know in the comments section below. I know this video is very different to what we're used to, but hopefully it will make the channel that little bit better. Again, a huge shout out to ANDONSTAR. Have a great day, everyone. Best of luck with all of your coin hunts over the course of the weekend. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.